Hello golfers, let's fix your hook once and for all. I'm about to give you a simple procedure that's going to allow you to have better golf ball control and to eliminate the left side of the golf course. To begin, we must be able to apply our hands correctly on the grip and create a proper relationship with the club face. More times than not, a golfer who hooks the golf ball is going to have a very strong club face at the top and not be able to deliver that club neutral into impact. When we're putting our lead hand on the grip, we want to see around 3 knuckles. The V should be pointing towards our trail ear. When the right hand gets on top of the grip, we want to match both hands so that they work in unison with the release pattern as we hit the golf ball. So 3 knuckles strong, both V's pointing towards our trail ear. That is a firm grip that I want you to start establishing when putting your hands on the golf club. Next, we're going to be talking about the proper swing plane. More times than not, golfers who hook the golf ball tend to get too deep with their hands too far behind them. The more behind you the hands work, the easier it's going to be for you to swing from the inside. In order to hit a hook, this is due to an excessively inside-out swing path. To fight this, we need to feel a bit more vertical and upright in the takeaway position to allow the hands to come more down in front with the body, allowing for a less inside-out swing path and swinging more down the line and for a more left exit with our hand path. So getting just a little bit more vertical with the hands to the sky in the takeaway and the backswing is going to allow you for more neutrality with your path. Next, I usually see players who get stuck in their backswing, firing their hips too quick, allowing for that club to get stuck too far behind them. So if you're struggling with a hook, we must improve our body pivot. That is the relationship of how our body is turning in the downswing. So in order to fix this, we need to eliminate something called right side bend. Right side bend is the trail side lowering too much down to the ground with the lead side elevating. In order to correct this, we must feel the arms coming down with the body, but the lead side of our body moving more down and around, which is going to allow the hands to work more outwards. And then from this position, we can have a more left exit around our hip, allowing for freedom with the arms going through the impact zone. This is going to prohibit you from having that high handle exit coming into impact. The higher the handle is as you enter the golf ball, the more draw bias your swing is going to be. So the feeling is going to be you rounding the corner with the handle of the club exiting more low and left through a proper pivot. The more right side bend you have, the more the club's going to get stuck from behind you, the more you're going to swing inside to out. For a hooker of the golf ball, not what you want to do. Instead, we're going to feel like we're swinging more down and to the left with that exit with a proper hand path, almost like you're swinging towards left center field. So 2 top drills if you're a player who hits a hook and you want to get a more neutral ball flight. The first is going to be placing a tour aim stick at a desired angle behind the golf ball, in line with your legs, in order for you to get the feeling of working more upright in your backswing. If you get too inside too quickly, you will knock over the tour stick. So in response, we are going to set it at an inclination. That makes it a little bit easier for us to hinge the club more vertical and to get it into this position. The second drill is going to be placing that tour aim stick at another angle right in front of the golf ball. This is going to prohibit you from swinging too far inside out with that high handle exit. Instead, we need to feel the handle working more underneath the stick for a more left exit for our hand path. Thank you for watching, guys. Follow that procedure and you will fix your hook.